Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M14 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to use emojis in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. First of all, go to the camera of your phone and here go to more button and here you will see AR zone. Just click it. Here you can use different emoji, AR emoji studio, AR emoji stickers, deep pictures, etc. Okay. If you would like to use AR emoji studio, click here and AR emoji studio will appear here. Here you can create video, call screen, lock screen, etc. Okay, call screen. In call screen you can set like this. Okay, you can create your own emoji video and set in call screen or lock screen. Okay, I click on create video and here you can select any type of video. Here all dance, fun, party, uh, different different varieties are available. I select on fun and I click on this emoji and see here. Okay, and click on save finally and it will be saving video. Just wait. And here you can click on set as call background or set as lock screen. Here for demo purpose I click on set as lock screen. I set in lock screen. Okay, and click on done finally. Yes, this has been set to lock screen. See here, in lock screen it is set. So in this way you can easily use different emoji in your phone. Again I go to camera and go to more button and click on AR zone, and the next one is AR emoji stickers. Here different stickers will be available. You can use any sticker. Click on sticker and you can save the sticker to the gallery. Later you can go to gallery and saved emoji can be used. Okay, you can edit this emoji or you can send it to your friends through email, WhatsApp, Telegram or whatever may be. Okay, you can share your emoji. Okay, then next one available is here. Go to AR zone again and here click on third one, demo picture. This is demo picture. Some of the pictures will be available. Sorry, decorative picture, not demo. You can decorate a picture. Okay, different options are available. You can put mask. You have to install this. Okay, for that you go to sign in into Google Samsung account, or you can sign in with Google. I sign in with my email ID. It sends a code to the for two-step. It didn't get verification code. If you didn't get any verification code, click here. So now, as of now, I don't have my phone that in my hand, so I skip this step. Uh, so in these three methods you can use AR emoji in your phone Samsung Galaxy M14 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.